Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Equinox LS in Silver Ice. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90486A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.